Meet Clematis Diamantina, a double-flowered variety that brings a firework display to your garden. If you want dramatic layered blooms and elegant color, this is the one. I'm excited to share what makes this variety so special, along with some planting tips and what you can expect once it's established in your own space. What really sets Diamantina apart are the blooms. It produces large, fully double flowers in rich violet blue tones, often with a soft silvery sheen. Each one can reach up to 6 inches across, creating a full, almost pom-pom-like effect on the vine. But the real magic is the stamina. Unlike many varieties where petals drop quickly, these blooms can stay fresh for up to 4 weeks. You get that massive show in late spring with a second flush of flowers later in the season. I simply could not resist this variety for my own garden. It typically grows 6 to 8 feet tall, making it a great choice for trellises, fences, arches, or large containers. It's hardy in zone 4 through 9, so it's a tough survivor even in colder climates. Since my space is limited, I'm using a garden tower to give it a vertical interest without taking over the entire bed. And I can't wait to see Diamantina filling out a structure just like this. But to get that kind of display, it all starts with proper planting. Let's get this Diamantina into the ground and walk through the best way to set it up for success. Dig a hole at least twice as wide as the pot. This gives the roots room to spread into loose enriched soil. Burying the crown, along with about 2 inches of the lower stems, encourages new shoots from below the soil line, making the plants bushier and more resilient. Setting up the tower now makes training the vine much easier as it grows. Clematis grow best with their blooms in the sun, while their roots need to stay cool. For Diamantina, sunlight brings those big, beautiful flowers, and a layer of mulch keeps the roots shaded and moist as the plant establishes. Maintenance is also easy. Diamantina blooms on both old and new wood. So just remove any dead vines in early spring and give it a quick trim after the first flush to keep those blooms coming. Hope you enjoyed getting to know the spectacular Diamantina. It brings so much drama to a small space. Please share your experience in the comments below or let me know what you are planning to grow on your garden towers this season. Happy gardening!